upper down. From rats on up to riches, 15 minutes you can fly. Pretty blue lights along the way help you right on by. And the blue lights shining with a heavenly grace help you right on by. Anywhere I found, running south on Lakeshore Drive, getting into town, just slipping on by on LSD, fighting that trouble bound. And it starts up north from Hollywood, water on the driving side, concrete mountains rearing up, throwing shadows just about 5. Sometimes you can smell the green if your mind is feeling fine. There ain't no finer place to be than running Lakeshore Drive. And there's no peace of mind the place you see riding on Lakeshore Drive. And there ain't no road just like it anywhere I found, running south on Lakeshore Drive, getting into town, just slipping on by on LSD, fighting that trouble bound. It's Friday night and you're looking clean, too early to start the rounds. A 10-minute ride from the Gold Coast back makes you show your pleasure bound. And it's 4 o'clock in the morning and all the people have gone away. Just you and your mind at Lakeshore Drive, and tomorrow is another day. And the sun shines fine in the morning time, tomorrow is another day. And there ain't no road just like it anywhere I found, running south on Lakeshore Drive, getting into town, just snaking on by on LSD, fighting that trouble bound.